We have a lot of chickens around here, so eating eggs for breakfast helps bring balance to the force. Okay, I might be exaggerating a little bit, but eggs are just excellent for breakfast, so this is what we will be doing in this episode. Delicious egg treats to wake you up in a good mood. Our first bite will be eggs in the toast. You start by greasing a pan with a little butter, then you cut a hole into a slice of bread, like so. Put the bread slice into the greased pan and add an egg to the hole. Season with salt and pepper. Add 2 slices of cheese. Okay, make it 3. Turn the toast so that it will cook evenly. That's a lovely and tasty treat. Our second bite is a poached egg. You start by greasing a plastic bag that can hold high temperatures. Adjust the bag into a greased cup and break an egg into it. Season with salt and pepper. Close the bag and bring it to boiling water. Keep moving the bag until the egg white is indeed white. It takes about a minute. Open the bag and release the egg into the water and let it cook an additional minute. There you have a perfectly cooked poached egg.
Oh yeah.
Our third treat is a must for Valentine's breakfast. You need an egg seasoned with salt and pepper and a sausage. Cut the sausage longwise in half, almost entirely, without separating the 2 parts. Boil it in hot water for a minute or so it will be easier to bend it. Shape the 2 halves of the sausage and stick the 2 ends together with a toothpick. Put it in a greased pan and add the seasoned egg. Turn on the other side to cook it uniformly.
Oh yeah.
Our final breakfast treat doesn't take eggs at all. It's a Portuguese tradition, favas. Into 1 cup of warm water, dissolve about a tablespoon of dark sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of dehydrated yeast. You know the yeast is activated because it will sink and float again by itself. Add 1 cup of warm milk and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Beat well until you get a creamy consistency. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. In a greased pan, bake about a tablespoon of dough at a time. When the favas start to dry at the rim, turn them so both sides will get delicious golden color. There you have it, the perfect breakfast complement. I hope you try this at home and enjoy your breakfast as much as we enjoyed ours. Bye-bye for now.
Uh-oh. Pitanga.